So today I'll be demoing a recipe search app that I recently created. The first thing we're going to do is fork and clone from my GitHub repo in order to get access to it. And from there we'll go over to the command line, we'll do a yarn install if you don't have it installed. Otherwise you'll do a yarn start. And that will get our web app up and running. And from there it'll pull us right over to our web application at localhost 3000. And once it loads, here we are at our landing page, and it's a very simple app. All you have to do is start typing, and it will immediately start pulling up recipes. And currently I have a debouncer in and a key down event handler in order to make sure that we're not making multiple requests as the person's typing. So as you can see, it's only when the key is lifted up or at the end of an interval that it decides to get recipes out. So that is just a quick little demo of the application, and here you can see you can scroll down and it gives you a long list. You can see the links, so you can go directly to get the recipes instructions. You can see the ingredients right on the list, and it changes whatever you decide to type in. So if we go over here to steak now, you can see that all the recipes are now steak. And now I'll quickly and we use the Recipe Puppy API, which is a very simple API to use. And then from there, we'll just dive into a little bit of my code just to run you through it. And it's very simple. It only took in use React, create React app, which gives you a lot of the bare bones necessities to get a web page up and running. And then from there, we just go into app.js. We imported a search bar component. Very simple. Just play around a little bit with the HTML. And then from here, where all the heavy lifting is done, the search bar. And this is where we get that search engine that allows us to bring up all those recipes. Very simple, very quick, and very clean, very nice. And that is how we produce the recipe hunter.